Hello everyone, this is lesson number 6, HSK4, chapter 2, and let's start. Let's quickly repeat what we learned. Yen, yen, salt. Yen, you hao, friendly. 相反, opposite, on the contrary of something. 商量, to consult, to discuss something. 教育, education or to educate. 椰子, leaf. 规定, rule, regulation. And 死, we know it's like to die, deaf, but here is rigid, inflexible. So this one is a bit not usual, right? First one for today is 全部, whole or complete, because 全 is a whole, 部 like part, like part of something, or ministry, department, part, portion, section of something. And 全 is all, full, whole. So let's see. I finished all my homework. I finished all the homework. 我把全部作业都做完了。So here is a bit upside down. Usually we say, I finished then homework, right? But here is 我把 you can say like I hold or I take 卷部作业 it's a homework, so 卷部作业 whole homework or all the homework. I take all the homework and 都 no, you can say all is together with 全部都做完了。做 it's to do, one it's to complete, but here is one, it's represents its completed action. 做完 it's to finish. 做完了 and le also represent its finished action. I finished all the homework. 我把全部作业都做完了 and finished everything. So be careful with this 把 it's like create a passive voice, but with a you can imagine like it just change the direction of the order of sentence. For example, he read all the books on the shelf. 他把书架上的书全部读了一遍。他把 take 这个书 it's a book. 架 let's see, bookshelf, shelf, bookcase. This 架 aircraft, plane, helicopter, rack, frame, shelf. We need shelf, right? A lot of translation, but we need shelf. 他把书架上 so it's not simple book, right? 书 it's which book and the describe it. 书架上 the book which on the shelf. 他把 so he take 书架上的书 all the books. You can say 全部 whole. Read all the books on the shelf. 他把书 So you can say like 书全部 the whole book or every book, all book 读了一遍. Here's 一遍 it's like one, throw once again, one more time, over. So one you can say like one time, and 读 it's to read. So 读了一遍. Read it again when you read all the book on the shelf. Interesting. He read all the books on the shelf. All the books on the shelf were read by him. He devoured, he read every book. So translation is more or less the same. Just this one is a bit. So it's all once, one time. For example, 再写一遍. So here is 再 like once more again, 写 to write 一遍 one time. So one more time. Do it one more time. So by itself 一遍 with a second tone 一遍 it's just one time. But 是读了一遍 you read it once. But if for example 再读一遍再 hear it again, read one more time, it's like read it again. So it's 一遍 it's a bit could be used in different situations. So read it again. He read all the books on the shelf. 他把书架上的书全部读了一遍，全部。嗯，这是 all the books on the shelf. Interesting. Example, not so clear, but still is the main point to understand the translation. Next one is interesting. It's 也许, perhaps, probably, maybe. Like yeah, also, 许 is like possible or allow, promise, allow. So also allowed, also could happen. 也许, perhaps he will come to the meeting tomorrow. 也许他明天会来参加会议。也许 maybe probably 他 明天 tomorrow 会来 will come 参加to participate 会议 in a meeting like could be conference meeting session plenary. Perhaps he will come to the meeting tomorrow. So this one is 参加. It's to here is in English they don't translate participate, join, take part in something. So here is it's implied, right? 会来参加 will come to coming to join. 也许他明天回来参加会议. They participate in action in meeting. The next one. This question is hard. Maybe I need help. 这道题很难，也许我需要帮助。这道题 this question 道题这是道 measure word for questions. So 这道题 this question 很难 is very hard or is hard. 也许 maybe 我需要帮助 I need help. 我需要帮助。这道题很难，也许我需要帮助。帮助 help. Next one. 并且 and besides, moreover sometimes, furthermore, which more, besides, additionally, in addition. Let's see. He is very smart and works hard. 他很聪明，并且工作很努力。So, 他很聪明。He is smart. He is very smart. 聪明，并且 moreover and besides of that 工作很努力，很努力 works very hard. 他很聪明，并且工作很努力。Let's see. This restaurant's food is delicious and the price are reasonable. 这家店菜很好吃，并且价格合理。So you remember 家 measure word for restaurants for some businesses. So 这家店 this restaurant 菜 so food so food from this restaurant 这家店菜很 很好吃，very delicious，好吃，并且 and moreover，价格 it's a price，价格合理 reasonable，并且价格合理。嗯，next one is 勺子 spoon，勺子 or just 勺 sometimes 勺子。Please give me a spoon to drink the soup。请给我一个勺子喝汤。喝汤。Be careful. In English, we can say to eat soup, but in Chinese, to drink the soup. 喝汤。请 please 给我 give me 一个勺子 one spoon 一个勺子。喝here's to drink the soup, but here is just 喝汤 to drink the soup. But we can say 为了来 also 来喝汤，为了喝汤。So in Chinese sometimes it's omitted. Please give me a spoon to drink the soup. 请给我一个勺子 give me one spoon. Forward 喝汤 to drink soup 汤。As you can see, it's on the left part it's water represents the meaning, and on the right part it's just for pronunciation 长 and just here it looks like 汤。Mhm. There are many spoons in the kitchen drawer. 厨房的抽屉里有很多勺子。厨房 it's a kitchen。抽屉 it's a drawer, desk, cabinet. 抽 it's to draw something, to take, inhale. Mostly used for 抽烟 for smoking. Here is 气 drawer. 厨房的抽屉 So in the kitchen drawer, 抽屉里 inside 有很多 has a lot of or there are many 勺子 spoons. There are many spoons in the kitchen drawer. 厨房的抽屉，厨房的抽屉里有很多勺子。Next one is 保护 to protect or protection. We should protect the environment and reduce pollution. 我们要保护环境，减少污染。A few new words. 我们要 we have to we need to 保护 to protect 环境 the environment. So it's almost you find it the almost all the time together. 保护环境 to protect the environment or animal protection, preservation of environment. 保护环境。减少 it's to reduce, to decrease, reduce, diminish, cut, mitigate. 减少污染 it's pollution, just pollution, contamination, pollutant, contaminant. Pollution 污染 So we should protect the environment and reduce pollution. 我们要保护环境，减少污染。For now, it's you don't need to know the source, but just for information. The protection of wild animals is very important. 野生动物的保护非常重要。So, 野 it's a wild, 生 to live. So you can say wild to live in the wild, feral. 动物 animals, wildfire, wild animals, wildlife. 野生动物的 保护. So this protection, which protection? And they describe the protection of wild animals. 野生动物的保护非常重要，非常 very really 重要 important. The protection of wild animals is very important. 野生动物的保护非常重要。Next one, 作用，作用 role, effect, function, contribution, useful, relevance. Exercise has great effect on the health. 运动对健康有很大的作用。So 运动 exercising or to do exercise 对健康或身体健康 also could be on the health 对健康 for health 有很大的 has a lot of 作用 effect or it's a big role big part of healthier body 很大的作用。运动对健康有很大的作用。He plays important role in the team. So you can say his effect is big. 他在团队中起着重要的作用。There is a bit interesting construction. 起着，他在团队中 here is inside of a team. So this 团队 it's a team. 他在团队中旗帜 play play 旗帜 interesting note play an important role 旗帜重要的作用 I think here is a play like play 嗯重要的作用旗帜十分重要so 旗帜 is like to play so this one works together 旗帜重要的作用 I think I need to add for future to ask my teacher. He plays an important role in the team. 他在团队中起着 here is like play 重要的作用 play a big important role important part 起着他在团队中起着重要的作用so next one is 无 here is 无 like not 没有的意思 non absence of something lack of something 法 is like method so no method or to be unable to do something I'm unable to understand his decision 我无法理解他的决定 so 理解 is to understand 无法理解 I'm unable to understand so no way I can understand 我无法理解 unable to understand no method 他的决定 decision so I'm unable to understand his decision 我无法理解他的决定 unable to understand his decision 决定 without the key we are unable to open the door 没有钥匙我们无法开门 so 没有 without or don't have 钥匙 钥匙 is a keys，没有钥匙 without the key，我们无法 we are unable to 无法开门，开 to open 门 the door，开门 to open the door cannot unable to impossible incapable 没有钥匙 without the key，我们无法开门 we are unable to open the door 开门门 second 开门。And last one for today, as you can see, wu, no or not, wu. There are no signal here. The phone doesn't work. 这里无信号，手机用不了。这里 here 这里无没有 or no 信号 it's a signal connection signal and sign message signal to reception transmission just signal so 这里无信号，手机 the phone 用 to use 不了 represent cannot nothing so unable also unable to so 用不了 it's won't can use to we can't use it and doesn't work so 这里无信号，手机用不了所以 you cannot use 用 he unintentionally offended his friend 他无意中得罪了朋友。So 无意 is like with intention 故意的意。accidentally 无意 unintentionally accidentally unconsciously unknowingly unwittingly unadvertently. So oh you can see here have no intention. 他无意中 and also unintentional, accidental. 无意 I think it's together. 无意中，对，无意中，for example, 发现 is to discover. 无意中发现 unintentionally discovered, or randomly, or accidentally. Or for example, pointless. 无意义 意义 is meaning, so meaningless. 无意义。他无意中得罪了，it's to offend, to sin against something, to displease, trespass against. 得罪了朋友 friend. 得罪了 to offend, the right to offend. So he unintentionally offended his friend. 他无意中 it's together, you can say together. 他无意中得罪了朋友 offend. So let's repeat what we learned today. 全部 whole or complete. 也许 perhaps probably maybe 并且 and beside moreover 勺子 spoon 保护 to protect protection 作用 role effect or function. Let me see. Useful effect. 无法 to be unable to 无法 and 无 no not 无. So we have one new idiom for today. Last time we learned this one 雪中送炭 to offer timely help to help in time because at the time of snow 雪中送炭 to give charcoal or coal 雪中送炭. Today we learn this one 锦上添花 锦上添花 to add brilliance to something to something already good. That's 锦 it's brocade, symbolizing beautiful or excellent. 上 on 添 add 花 flower. Additional beauty. 锦上添花，添花那种是两，W嗯，to just to improve, just improve this. In it's something connected with brocade, something connected with already good. This idiom means enhancing something that is already good, like adding flowers to beautiful brocade. It contrasts with 雪中送炭, which is about essential help. This project is already successful, and your suggestion add brilliance to it. 这个项目已经很成功。So this 项目 this project 已经 already 已经很成功，成功 already successful。你的建议 your proposal your suggestion 建议真是 really 真是锦上添花，锦上添花。这个项目已经很成功，你的建议真是锦上添花。So it's really interesting. 锦上添花. So on something already great, symbolizing something beautiful, excellent, you on top of it add something, flower represent additional beauty, something more. 锦上添花. And we have one new tongue twister for today. Last time we learned this one. 石狮子是水. The stone lion is wet with water. 石狮子是水. Then we know this one. The old dragon only eats old cage dragons. 牢笼支持牢笼笼. Lao old long dragon 只 only 吃 to eat. Lao old long. Here is long with a cage because on top of it is bamboo. So long just from pronunciation and bamboo for meaning because I think cage was made from bamboo and long dragon. So we're training L and J. 牢笼只吃牢笼笼. Lao long old dragon 只吃 only eat 牢笼笼. Old cage dragon. 牢笼是牢笼只吃牢笼笼. And that's all for today. See you next one.